Hi, I just finished my work. I mean, I'm on my way home, walking. Lakaw ko ron. Stress. Super stress sa trabaho. Yeah, I have a stressful job dealing with people's problem. Yeah, and then, yeah, it affects my life and to my family. Anyway, this is just a daily update. Every day I will do this video, document it until I got a right amount of money to go abroad. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so hot here in the Philippines. Grabe ka init. Init kaya dire. Uy, may mo. Ang kamot ng gitagyan. Maning kamot sa trabaho. Ano siya? Ay nako. Call center kapoy yun. Apoy, call center. So gani, dili ako mag palit-palit ng motor. Kay mas kalas sa kwarta. Utang-utang na pod. I don't want to buy a motorcycle. Pasin. Dili ko matangtang. Malisod ko tangtang sa trabaho. Agoy, ganahan ka mahawa sa trabaho niya. God. Ay, naka. Pero ka nang pangyanin ka ng life. You want to leave the job. You want to resign. However, but there is a pending loan. You have a loan outside work. How can you resolve your loan or pay your loan if you don't have a job? No. Money pahit. Diba? Apoy. So, dapat money management yun. Hindi ka magutang-utang. Isod na. So hard if you have a loan. You can't resign immediately if you don't like the job anymore. Oh. Okay, right now. Laban kami sa life. Laban kami sa life. Pwede ba pala ito?